Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits.
Electronics 101 Water Capacitors. And how do they work? Hello, have you ever seen a small component in an electronic circuit called a capacitor and wondered what it does? A capacitor is a really useful component that helps store and release electricity in a circuit. Capacitors are made up of two metal plates separated by a special material called a dielectric. When a voltage is applied to a capacitor, it stores electrical energy in the form of an electric field between the two metal plates. This is kind of like filling a water balloon with water. The more water you put in, the more energy is stored. In a capacitor, the more voltage you apply, the more electrical energy is stored. But capacitors can do more than just store electricity, they can also release it when needed. This is kind of like popping a water balloon. When you let go, all the stored energy is released at once. In a circuit, a capacitor can release its stored electrical energy quickly to power things like motors and lights. So, to sum it up, a capacitor is a component that helps store and release electricity in a circuit. It's kind of like a water balloon that stores and releases energy. Capacitors are really useful and can be found in all sorts of electronic devices. I hope you enjoyed learning about capacitors and that it helps you with your electronic projects. If you're interested in building your own circuits and learning more about electronics, be sure to check out our electronic DIY kits. They're perfect for kids like you who want to have fun and learn while doing it. Schogini Toys kits come with everything you need to start building and learning about electronics, including breadboards, LEDs, resistors, and more. So why wait? Start building and learning today.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits. Visit us now.